We are back with our online session for class 8, subject English. Unit 3, we are going to study poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat. It is written by T.S. Eliot. So who is Macavity? As you all know, many people love to keep pets in their home. But Macavity is also such a kind of pet. But Macavity is a cat and she is very naughty. And what kind of naughtiness does she do? That all we are going to study in this poem. Macavity's mystery cat. Mystery means जो बहुत सारे गड़बड़ काम कर देती है और फिर पकड़ी भी नहीं जाती है, ऐसे she is a mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. मतलब और ऐसे काम करने के बाद कहीं भी छुप जाती है and nobody is able to search her. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law and he is master criminal मतलब बहुत बड़ा क्रिमिनल मान रहे हैं इसको Macavity को and he can defy the law मतलब वो और वो किसी भी लॉ को किसी भी रूल को तोड़ सकती है, डिसरिस्पेक्ट कर सकती है, डिसओबे कर सकती है. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. Bafflement means confusion of Scotland Yard means जो लंदन की पुलिस होती है उसको हम स्कॉटलैंड यार्ड बोलते हैं. So Macavity is confusion or distress of Scotland Yard or London police. The flying squad's despair. Flying squad कौन होता है? The police which is very much quick in its reaction. मतलब तुरंत कोई भी घटना होने के बाद जिस स्क्वाड को बोला जाता है वो होती है flying squad. So it is the flying squad's despair. मतलब despair मतलब stress है flying squad का क्योंकि Macavity it does any kind of work nonsense and but he is never caught. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. And whenever the police reaches the scene of crime, Macavity is not there because Macavity is very fast and it hides wherever it finds the place. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. So poet T.S. Eliot is telling us that Macavity is Macavity. There is no other pet like Macavity. Like जिस kind से वो naughty है, उस kind से कोई भी pet दूसरा naughty नहीं है. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. And he has broken the every human law. सारे human laws मतलब कोई भी rules को सारे rules को तोड़ दिया. Even the law of gravity मतलब यहाँ वहाँ से उछल कूद करना वो सारी चीजें बहुत कर रहा है. His power of levitation would make a fakir stare. Levitation मतलब यहाँ वहाँ flying in the air मतलब Macavity, as I told you that it is jumping from one place to other. So his power of Macavity, levitation would make a fakir stare. मतलब कोई भी हम जैसा common इंसान उसको stare करना start कर देंगे. Means what kind of pet is this? In such way. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. And whenever we reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Stanza. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air. Means, as you all are aware that इसके पहले मैंने बताया था कि Macavity is a mystery cat and it does the crime. वो crime कर देता है और उसके बाद गायब हो जाता है. It goes anywhere wherever it finds the place and nobody can find that cat again. So जब आप उसको ढूंढ रहे हो, seek him मतलब ढूंढना, in the basement मतलब नीचे, and you may look up in the air और ऊपर हवा में भी आप ढूंढ सकते हो. But I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. और मैं दावे के साथ आपको फिर से बोल सकता हूँ कि आप जहाँ पे भी ढूंढोगे वहाँ पे आपको Macavity नहीं मिलेगी. Macavity is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. Ginger cat यहाँ पे जो है Macavity is a ginger cat. It means that ginger is a breed of cats and which is having many strips on its body. So he is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him. अगर आप उसको देखते तो आप उसको जानते, ऐसा आपको पोएट बताना चाह रहा है. For his eyes are sunken in. Means उसकी जो आंखें हैं वो अंदर मतलब जैसे आप बोल सकते हो कि his eyes are really different and his brow is deeply lined. Brow means जो eyes के ऊपर आपका जो eyebrow होता है वो एकदम कैसा है? It is deeply lined with thought. Means वो कुछ तो हमेशा सोच रहा है ऐसा आपको लगेगा Macavity को देख के. And ऐसे राउंड शेप, डोम शेप पे। नेक्स्ट, his coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed. his coat, उसका जो कोट है वो कैसा है? It is dusty. Why dusty? Because Macavity is very naughty cat and it does all the criminal work, and so his coat is dusty and his whiskers, जैसे आपको पता होता है, जैसे आपने अगर कैट या माउस, रैट अगर देखा है तो उनका जो फेस होता है उसके ऊपर 3 छोटे छोटे ऐसे जो hairs होते हैं near the mouth, so those are the whiskers. So his whiskers are uncombed. He sways his head from side to side. Sway मतलब हिलाना, वो अपने सिर को side to side ऐसे हिलाता है, and when you with movements like snake, जैसे snake, how does the snake move? Like this. So the Macavity is also swaying his head from left to right, from side to side. And when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. और अगर आप Macavity के पास जाओगे and if you think that Macavity is half asleep, मतलब नींद आई हुई है Macavity को, ऐसा सोचोगे, but you are wrong because Macavity is always wide awake, क्योंकि जगा हुआ रहता है हमेशा Macavity. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. Again, poet is telling us that there is no one like Macavity means such a pet is rare to find. For he is fine in feline shape. Fine means what? He is a devil. Fine का मतलब है devil in feline shape. Feline means cats का कैसा, cat की family को belong करने वाली है ना ये cat जो है Macavity. तो cats का कैसा shape होता है? उस shape में Macavity क्या है? Macavity is a devil in that feline shape, a monster of depravity, and he is monster. You may meet him in by street. You may see him in the square. And whenever you visit our house, जो आप poet ने pet बना के रखा है Macavity को, so you can find that cat in the street or you may see him in the square, या कोई दूसरी जगह square shape की जगह है वहाँ पे भी आप उसको find कर सकते हो. But when the crimes discovered, पर जब भी crime कोई भी discover होता है तो Macavity is not there. Means cat are such a pet, मतलब pet कैसे होता है आपको पता है ना, they do all the different things and they run away from them. So such are the pets. I hope you have understood this poem. We will continue this question